Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix mouse or keyboard is not working in ApowerMirror. It is a very easy and simple problem, and I give the simple solution to fix this problem. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe our channel and make sure click on the bell icon also. So let's go to our video. First, close our ApowerMirror from our Windows operating system. Close from the Windows operating system. Click on the exit the program and make sure it is totally exit. It is not in our taskbar. And after that, we go to our mobile, our Android mobile. In Android mobile, we are going to first settings. Go to the settings. In a settings, we find about phone. Click on the about phone. In about phone, here we find MIUI version. Continuously click 7 times on the MI version. Double click 7 times. Click on the MIU version. After that, you become a developer. I have already developer, so I go to the back. Make sure you become a developer by clicking MIU version 7 times. Go to the back. Next is the scroll down, and here we find additional settings. Click on the additional settings. In additional settings, scroll down and find developer options. You become a developer. Here we find new option, developer options. Click on developer options. In a developer option, scroll down and make sure USB debugging is on. Install via USB is on, and USB debugging security settings is on. If it's not on, then click at here. If it's gray out, then click at here and make sure it is on. This is our second method. Next step is go to our PC or laptop. In a PC or laptop, go to the start, type ApowerMirror. Click on the ApowerMirror. Connect your Android mobile by USB cable and wait for a few seconds. Click on start now on your mobile. And here we find our ApowerMirror. And we are going to use our mouse, and it is working. My mouse is now working. And check our keyboard is working or not. Go to any app or any software and type something, and our keyboard is working. If keyboard is not working, I give some suggestion. First is go to our ApowerMirror. Go to the PowerMirror, and in PowerMirror here we find settings icon or gear icon. Click on the settings. Here, make sure in the settings, enable ApowerMirror keyboard is on. This is our first option. And after that, go to any app that you want. I go to here Google Chrome. You can go to any app or any notepad or anything. Here I click on here and I want to type. It is typing from my keyboard. If it's not typing from your keyboard, then click at here. And here we find ApowerMirror, and here we find click at here, and here we find some keyboard. From this all list, select the ApowerMirror keyboard. If it's not checked, then select the ApowerMirror keyboard. Select that keyboard and click on the OK. And after that, go to your typing software and type anything that you want. And if it's not working, then make sure you use the latest ApowerMirror app on your Android mobile and the latest software or app on your Windows PC, Windows 10, 11 or any other operating system. Make sure you use the latest operating system or the latest ApowerMirror software on both Android and on our PC or laptop, and it is also solve your problem both on your mobile and from your keyboard and the mouse. Your keyboard is now working on your ApowerMirror from your Windows PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.